Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for this week. Sorry, I couldn't do analysis for today and meaning a weekend and because of the bank holiday and I have been busy. But however, even if there's a bank holiday in USA, but as you can see, but still the USA and Canada and Japan, these are the bank holidays in these countries, but still the market moved very well. Anyway. Let's start on our analysis for the Tuesday 14th onwards and see what is happening. So first of all, the news, we have 5:20 p.m. USD Fed Chair Powell speaks, and the rest of the day, there's no news for USD. Going onto the chart, going onto the chart and see the monthly is very bullish. Currently, we are nearly in the middle of the month, and market is very bullish at the moment. So last month we have a movement of 345 to 3860, so almost 3000 pips. And this month 3842 to 3240, still less than 3000. So might be another few hundred pips. Market may go to the upside, and maybe next month. Let's see anyway, but this is a bullish season for gold every year. And if you know how to trade, then definitely you can make money. Right. Going on to weekly, showing us very bullish movement and daily. Daily, you had this rejection here, red candle. That was on Thursday. And Friday, market moved to the upside, covered the 50% of it. And then we are seeing this movement to the upside and broke the previous highs as well. I was expecting gold may go up to the 4,000 mark, around 4,000, but now I'm expecting it might go up to 5,000. But let's see. While there's a few months to finish to end this year, so let's see. Probably we won't reach 5,000 this year. However, maybe next year or so. But let's see. Now going on to the 4 hour. Market gonna close for an hour, but in any time now. It's still in running on my broker. And this is, at the moment 41.17 is the highest level. So going on to the 4 hour, this level was broken. And 1 hour. Market already tested this gap. So where the market is moving, I do not expect these red lines, which I drawn, market will come at anytime sooner. And especially this 1 hour rejection candle tells us a lot that is highly bullish. Going to half an hour, we see similar position here as well. And smaller time frame, 15 minutes. So looks like market will range here before it break to the upside here. So we got this level broken. Now this level, as soon as this level is broken, and I'm expecting this will be broken as well to the upside. So we keep seeing the all-time highs. For that, we need to go to the smaller time frame. And one more thing, the market moves comes on these levels, 4086 and around 4059, 4060. This could be the good point of interest for the take our trades. But as I said, it's highly unlikely that what the market is showing at the moment. So let's delete all this. So what's happening now? Market is testing around this area. This is structure level, and I'm expecting go to the upside this around this area, and from there we definitely expect to the upside. And whether RSI is still showing the strength as well, it's above 50, and again 15 minutes as well, and is overbought in other time frames. It's highly, very high RSI, as you can see. And now we can use volumes to trade, and if because what the market has been doing last few weeks, creating higher highs, and the smaller time frame plays very important role to understand the market and take any trades. The market already tested these 15 hours levels here, the liquidity sweep, and 1 hour this level has been tested. Although there's no liquidity sweep here, however, the way the 1 hour has been closed, it's showing huge momentum to the buy side. And so if we go on to smaller time frame, if we use volumes, as I said previously as well, so we can have some picture of market. So this sell volume has been broken with this low volume. Low sell can this high volume has been broken to the upside with a low volume, so that's an indication of bullish movement. Also, to confirm that we are on a structure level, yes, and plus this rejection candle. So it's highly likely the market will go to the upside even in smaller time frame as well. So if you can go in a different time frame to this is another structure level. This structure market is ejected from this level, as you can see, and definitely the market should go at least this level. And once market is here, we'll look further uh, where it can go. The price action at the when the market opens probably will be like that, and it will break to the upside. So we can get help with RSI and different candle patterns around this area. So I hope this is useful. And if you have any comments or if you want to learn more about Forex, please get back to me. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye-bye.